Here's my grass flap. Just got it in today. It's packaged pretty well. I mean, besides the tape, you know, they could have used a little better tape. Hate to say it, but for as much as you pay for one of these things, I mean, I would suggest for grass flap, use a little bit better tape. I mean, here we go. We can start unboxing this baby. I just got it in, you know. Sorry about the movement on the camera there. Instructions. Go through that in a little bit. Pretty well packaged. I mean on the inside. Get it. All saran wrapped right to the. I mean, they did a pretty good job packaging it from grass flap. But I just think their tape is a little on the cheesy side. And I understand that they're trying to save money and all. You know. Here we go. We're gonna unwrap this guy, see what we get. Got the no drill bracket. Paid a little extra for it. It's extra 20 bucks. Hope to God, I've heard of other people on their 32-inch Scags having problems with it. I don't know how that's gonna go. Pretty nice little hefty bracket. And all the goodies and stuff. Nuts, washers, spacers. Pretty well built it looks. It's not cheesy at all by no means. Looks pretty well built. Don't know what the heck this is about, but we'll give her a look at directions. And this is for my 32-inch Scag. I don't know. Brand new machine I just bought. Looks pretty dang well built. I can't complain on the way it's built. I mean, it's pretty solid. I mean, shoot, I don't know about this plastic, but everything else, it looks freaking sound as heck, you know. And this is what you get. There's your no drill bracket, your foot pedal. Some bolts and nuts, spring, So pretty nice. I mean, again, there's part number. Stay tuned and I'll get back with you about the install. This is going to be the first video just to unbox it. From first aspect, like I say, it looks really well built. Thanks. Have a good rest of your day.